Welcome to glorious BeamNG Drive. So, there are several cars that can have a diesel V8. This for example, not the Itchy Bitchy Hopper, and I'm disappointed at that. But then we have this. This can of course have almost any. This can have this engine. God damn it. Let's change the configuration around a little bit. That's cute. You're having a diesel now. Okay, diesel. And then here's the thing though. Inside the body, you can have like load. 2,100 kilos of long planks. Oh yeah, right, rear suspension, heavy duty. Can we have like, no, heavy duty, super heavy duty, ultra. That is so ridiculous. Ultra super. And then there should be a roof. Fiberglass roof extension. Oh, that's. Ew. Cabriolet van! They made a cabriolet van. Holy fuck. But no, we actually need the roof. Roof accessory. Cargo basket. Right. And then the roof accessory thingamajig. Where? Oh, and we do have a tow hitch. That's nice. That's nice. Low radiator. Ultra high performance, please. A roof. Cargo baskets. Load. 1,400 kilos. And then we take another 2,100 kilos. This is why I wanted a manual. Oh. I almost forgot. We want this to be 6. We want this to be 75 pressures per square inch. Ho ho ho. Oh jeez. This is extreme. The only thing is that the automatic doesn't really like the fact that it only revs to 3,000. So it's a dumb transmission, but I don't want to do this in manual. Now that we're all on, so 3,400 kilos. 2,400 kilos and 6,700. Oh yeah, we actually need to reset. Okay. There's a nothing for the mighty Diesel. You can see the gears in the corner here actually. Wow. Oh yeah. I have a plan. Low range, right? Then it has to understand, right? Yes, first we put it into low range. and then we ran out of the road. Okay, so let's just keep it in 6th. And then high range. And then it instantly shifted us into 3rd. The gearing is so low, and it has so much torque that I can't kill it. I'm on the brakes. Oh, there we go. So, what can we do with this? Call it a drunken sailor, because what do we do with it? What if we go like 4? Sure, that'll be fine. Yeah, the parking brake is on. Oh, look at that, I do know how to use a clutch. Look at this. I know how to use a clutch as fuck. I don't even need half of the gears. Oh yeah, and I figured it out. Why it sometimes blows up and sometimes doesn't. If you can keep boost under like 5 bar, that's in the red by the way, then it should be fairly good. Okay, doing 340 at an uphill. 140 at an uphill. Oh, and we're in 5th. Damn. That's really fucking impressive. So, here's the thing. You're gonna laugh at this. You know how I said that this has 2,700 meters of torque? 600 horsepower, that's good. Well, if you can adjust the ECU on that, and it can make 2,746 newton meters of torque. But then it only goes to 2,500 RPM. This is actually kind of strange, because if you have the stock turbo, you actually get a little bit more torque if you go from 3,500 RPM to 3,300 RPM. But yeah, I have more torque now. And I have almost 100 more horsepower and 270 more, 60 more horsepower. This truck is better than that. This van has more torque than that. Holy fucking shit. So firstly, solid axle front suspension and locking 8-lug front hubs. They don't really work together. But that's fine, we'll just have some heavy duty wheels. So now let's conquer the mountain and not stall, thank you very much. Like, with this amount of gearing and this amount of torque, how could we possibly stall this engine? Only thing we need to worry about is if the turbo is too much pressure, well, it fucking explodes. The entire engine just fucking blows. Because it wasn't designed with this much torque in mind. Now, this is a boring car. Only goes 75. Like, you can push the T-Series way further than that, but you know what? I don't care. We have more torque. All of 47 newton meters and like 200 horsepower more. Oh my god. Corners are awful. Corners are awful. But we made it. Fuck yeah. Greatest car in existence. Ah shit. This is a tight corner. God. Oh no. Turbo pressure, please. There we go. Because you know, at peak turbo pressure, it makes the amount of power you see on the top left there. When the turbo isn't at peak pressure, probably doesn't make that amount of power. Jeez. Naturally aspirated, we would have 176 horsepower. That's wild. And then all the way from 1,000 RPM and just straight through. Fuck yeah. No! I was gonna make it. There, now you won't stall out on me. Goddamn. Okay. This car can make it. I just decided that fuck it. We have 20 meters left, so we might as well have all the boost in the world. How dumb of me. How dumb of me to trust the engine not to blow up for 20 meters. It's my own fault, really. What do they say? Like you're blue-eyed? That's probably a Norwegian thing, but it's still like... Gullible little me, I actually had faith in this motherfucker. Okay, we know we can do it. We just need to not blow up. Come on, little engine. Please. I think there's something made about that, the little engine that could, and you're that little engine. You're not a, you know, you're not a, what the fuck's it called? Train engine? Tank engine? Who gives a shit? You're the kind of engine that is this kind of engine. Man, I should be a poet. If YouTube doesn't work out, buy my poem book. Like philosophy poems about life. Sometimes in life you may think that you're the training tank engine, but you're not. You're this kind of engine, not that. Do you know what? It's fine being this kind of engine. Unless you blow up to every 20 meters. Then it's slightly annoying for those around you. But nothing really matters, does it? It depends on your mindset. There, I'm off to a great start already. Okay, 10 meters left. Now it can't. That didn't hurt. That is perfectly fine. We fucking did it. Fucking did it. It only took me 2 tries, but we fucking did it. Hell fuck yeah. We need a brand new engine, but who gives a shit?